After studying oxidation and reduction reaction, now it's time to study how to identify which of the reactant undergo oxidation and reduction and who will act as a reducing agent and oxidizing agent. So here are some of the examples for the practice. Let's start how to identify the oxidation reaction, reduction reaction, then reducing agent and oxidizing agent in a given reaction. So it's very simple, student. As you can see here, the first one is given as 2NH3, 3Br2. It gives N2 plus 6HBr. This is a general reaction happening here. But now you have to identify which is the oxidation one. So here I have already written that it is NH3 undergo oxidation to N2 in a gaseous form. Okay. So and opposite to that it will be Br2 undergo reduction reaction to give the HBr. So it's very simple to identify the reducing agent. The reactant who undergo oxidation, it will always act as a reducing agent. And the particular reactant undergo reduction, it will act as a oxidizing agent. So what is the R need to write? First we have to write the oxidation, then the reduction who undergo the oxidation and reduction. After that we have to mention there as a reducing agent and oxidizing agent. Now let's study for the next one as a reaction where the Pb plus CuSO4 is there. It gives the PbSO4 plus Cu. Now here first we have to identify which of the reactant undergo the oxidation. So Pb undergo the oxidation to produce the PbSO4 and CuSO4 undergo the reduction to give the Cu. So now let's try which is the oxidizing agent and which is the reducing agent. Just now I told who undergo the oxidation, that will act as a reducing agent. So here in a second reaction it is the reducing agent. Pb is the reducing agent. And then who is the oxidizing agent? So CuSO4 is the oxidizing agent. Next, some of the reactions are like that where the only one product is given, like a familiar reaction, that is Mg plus O2, it gives a 2MgO. Now here Mg undergo the oxidation and O2 undergo the reduction. So the one product only is formed, but it's compulsory to show that from where to where the reaction occur. So we have to write here as with the arrows who undergo the oxidation and the reduction. Once it has been done, then it's time to identify the reducing agent. So who undergo the oxidation? So Mg undergo the oxidation, so it will act as a reducing agent, and who undergo the reduction, that will act as a oxidizing agent. In the next reaction now, let's see for this, as 4NH3 plus 5O2, it gives 4NO plus 6H2O. Now NH3 undergo the oxidation, so it will act as a reducing agent, and the reactant who undergo the reduction, that will act as a oxidizing agent. So here NH3 is a reducing agent and O2 is the oxidizing agent. So when we are writing oxidizing agent or reducing agent, no need to write there how many molecules are there. Means no need to write the 5O2 as the oxidizing agent. We have to just mention oxidizing agent equal to O2. Then the next one, CuO plus H2, it gives Cu plus H2O. Here the arrow should be proper one, so it can be identified easily. Now who undergo the reduction? That CO undergo the reduction here, and that time the CO will act as a oxidizing agent. Now till here what we have seen is first oxidation and the reducing agent. Here in this reaction first we are writing the reduction, so no problem, there is no need of getting confused there. We have to write CuO is a oxidizing agent because it undergo the reduction, and H2 is the undergo the oxidation, so H2 will act as a reducing agent. Now the last one reaction for the practice is Zn plus CuSO4, which give the ZnSO4 plus Cu. Now here Zn undergo oxidation, so Zn is acting as a reducing agent, and CuSO4 is undergo the reduction, so it is the acting as a oxidizing agent. So it's very easy to find out the oxidizing agent and the reducing agent.